What's up guys, today I'll show you how to find legit Grubhub promo codes and apply them without hassle. First, the easiest way to get a promo code is by simply signing up through Grubhub's website or app. New users often get an automatic discount like $10 off your first order when they register an account with a fresh email. If you don't see it immediately, try signing up during holidays or special events when deals are more common. Second, visit Grubhub's promotion page or check the homepage banners. Sometimes they highlight time-limited offers or referral bonuses. Speaking of referrals, if you have a friend already on Grubhub, ask for their referral link. You'll usually get a discount when you sign up using their code, and they'll get credits too. Third, use trusted coupon sites like Retail Me Not or Slick Deals. Search for Grubhub new user promo code and check the validity dates before applying. Just avoid shady websites because some codes may be expired or fake. To apply the code, go to checkout, tap add a promo code, enter it, and it will automatically deduct the discount if it's valid. Make sure your order meets the minimum amount required for the code to work. And that's how you get Grubhub promo codes as a new user. Thanks for watching.